Taking a look at this artisan grill from the Alfresco company being offered in a 32, 36, and 42-inch width. It's got a spring-assisted barbecue lid, dual-walled. These are the refractive locked-in-place ceramic 5-way heat distributing briquettes. Basically, it's a special-shaped pyramid with a flat top and a heat-holding cavity on the underside. It delivers intense heat to the cooking surface. This is Alfresco's exclusive heat delivery system. It's 20,000 BTUs. This is the infrared sear zone optional interchangeable infrared burner. It's 20,000 BTUs. It gives you that steakhouse result in every cook. The rotisserie on this is giving you 50 pounds of torque, and the rear infrared burner is coming in at 1,500 degrees. Also notice the halogen interior lighting. Here on the front panel, you have these stainless steel push button switches for ignition and lighting. The front control panel is going to feature a blue LED light. Looking here at the specs, we've got the 32-inch wide. The cutout for it is 30.5 inches wide by 19.75 inches deep. As we take a look at the 36-inch on the right-hand side, the cutout dimensions are 34.5 wide by 19.75 deep. Here on the 42-inch, we're looking at a cutout dimension of 40.5 wide by 19.75 deep. Click the icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen. It'll take you back to kitchenfoundry.com, where you can see an assortment of Alfresco and artisan products we have available at kitchenfoundry.com. Please ask questions here or reach out to us at 949-275-4496.